Hello guys, welcome to another Leetcode stream and let's see what problem do we have today. So daily problem. Uh Daily temperature. Let me just add this. I've slightly changed the name from Solvable Leetcode Live to Leetcode Live. Uh it's just a semantic difference. Um okay, let's see the question. Given an array of integer temperatures representing the daily temperature, return an array such that answer of I is number of days you have to wait, such that answer of I, okay, the basically the returning I is number of days you have to wait for after ith day to get a warmer temperature. If there's no further day for which this is possible, keep answer of I is equals to 0. Okay, so basically, uh, let's like this is day one. So for the next day, this like the day which it will be warmer for this is one. For day two, it's one. For day three, it's four. Okay, 76. For day uh four, it's two. So one, two. Okay, it will go like this. Mm, okay, this is a little difficult. It's not actually very difficult. Like I can see a few things. I can see that the last will always be zero. Uh, because like there's no other, and I guess the maximum will also always be zero. So yep, there are no maximums. Yeah, like the maximum will also always be zero. If the last will always be zero, we can do one thing. Like this is zero. Let's open our Xcali. Uh, Draw. This will be zero. Okay. Um, 76. So let's store a maximum. Let's say max is equals to intermin. Uh, this will be zero because it's greater than uh, like okay. Um, in men, okay. Like if it's undefined, it should be zero. Uh, like let's store if we store intermin as maximum, then 73. 73. When we get 73, we have internment. We mark it as zero. Then we go to 76. Now maximum is 73. It's greater than minimum. So do we mark it? Let's mark it as zero. Now we go to 72. Now it's smaller. Then we mark one. But maximum right now is I think we should start from back because um, we know the last element is zero, so that's my reason for starting from back. Um, okay, so one thing I see is that we have to store uh, like all the elements, for 73 we can store int on when. Then again if we get int on like then uh, okay, so uh, no, a stack. Uh, yeah, I guess we can store a stack. Um, let's say for 73 we store in dot min, then we push on 73. Then if like if we get a greater number, we pop on 73 and we get 76. So that will be 0. And we oh, okay. Pop out 70, we pop in 76. Now in the stack we have indoor win and 76. Now for 72, like it's one pop away. So, like it's the next number, so I get one, and then we get 69. So 69, it seems like a working solution. 69, we can store like in the stack we have 76, 72. Okay, we can store a stack that is always in the, let's say from top, if we're seeing it's in the ascending order. So that's basic property of a stack. Okay, I think I got the solution. Um, let's say we have this stack. Let's draw a stack. Now instead of yeah. So now instead of storing in dot main, we can only check if stack is empty. If stack is empty, so we'll mark this as 0. Okay. And after, like, let's say we come on 73, we mark 73 as 0 and we push 73 on the stack. 73 on the stack. Cool. Later on, we find out that 76 is greater than 73. So we remove 73 and we mark it as 0 and we add 76 on the stack. I hope I'm going correct. Now we get 72. So 72 is smaller than 76. So we just add on 72 and uh, I guess we also would have to store an index. So let's say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. So and this will be 5 and we mark 6 minus 5 for 72 and like top minus the one we are adding. Then for 69 we add on 69 comma 4 and we mark on 5 minus 4, so 1. And for 71, we find that this is actually smaller than 71, so we remove this. um, then after that we uh, add like we mark on 5 minus 3, that's 2, and we add on 71. Makes a lot of sense, yeah. And yeah, I guess I got it. Then we get 75, so we remove this, we add 75 and mark on like basically uh, 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2, this is second position, and then for 74 we mark on 1, and I guess let's code it. Okay. um and is equals to temporary temp size. I don't like these big, like naming systems. I prefer using like smaller names. Though they should be descriptor, like, but vector and ans com. Shit, I have forgotten the syntax. How could I? I guess it was this. Shit. Ah, I haven't done C++ in a long time. My God, this is so bad. Oh my. Oh, I want initialization and declaration. I guess, yeah, it was this only. Answer. Languages don't matter. Like, for DS especially, I don't think language matters. It's whatever you like, whatever you feel most comfortable in. I personally do DSA in like C++, but I can do it in Golang, I can do it in Java, I can do it in JavaScript, whatever you say. So I don't think it's a big deal. Uh, n comma 0. I think C++ with C++ DSA is more of, let's say, more uh, structured, let's say. So that's my reason for doing with C++. Though Java also, it's a similar situation. Um, uh, People should not be very focused on the language for DSA, like for other purposes. It's good. One thing. Please do like, subscribe, like, share, subscribe. So uh, that means a lot. So hey, I didn't get this here. Oh, thank you, Nidhi. Thank you for being here. Where this loads after some time. So, okay. What was the time? You don't get time for this, no? Yep. Okay. So we have, and now declare a stack of vector. Do we want a pair of, let's make a vector name. Pair of int, comma int, st. Okay. And Okay, for I is equals to n minus 1, I greater than is equals to 0, I minus minus. We get, we get 73 right now. So if while not st dot empty and then um, greater, so we want that temp of I is greater than equals to st dot top st dot top and not st dot empty, st dot top. So we can just pop that. So st dot pop while, so when st is not empty, like in the case when 69, 72, 76, we'll get 71 next. So in that case, it will pop out 69 because temp will of I will be greater than st dot top. And okay, cool. Okay, and if st dot empty, if the stack is empty, then ans of I is equals to 0. Else of 0, top of 0, because top of first, let's make it a vector only. Vector of 0. So dot pop. And if stack is empty, we make answer is equals to 0. Else answer is equals to I st dot top of 1 minus I, and we push on this. St dot push. Let's just see one pushback. It's push. It's push only. I was it's push, and we push on the st we push on the temp of I, comma I. Return ans. I guess this should work. Let's just see. Hmm. Okay. Where's the? Okay, I guess uh, run is here, and it's a compilation first. Oh, oh, answer of I. And we have all the three cases. I guess we are. I guess this should work. Though I can think of an optimization right now, right here. Yep, it works. 53%. Uh, okay solution. I can like uses yeah, it uses very bad memory. I can think of one thing. Instead of storing a vector, we can just store an int, and we can store only the indexes. So the temp of st dot top, temp of st dot top, and st dot top. For one we have st dot top, and we can only store the index. So we can do it like this also. I guess this should work. Yep, it reduces the memory like by half, I guess. Yeah, 58. I think much better that we can do any optimizations that I see. Temp dot size and comma 0. Uh, while not st dot empty. Uh, uh, I don't see a lot of optimizations here, like in this particular algorithm. Probably there might be some better algorithm that people are using. But I guess let's see the solutions. Um, populations. The solution is not there. Let's leave this. Let's see what people are doing by tags, file liner using stacks. Making a stack vector, and then okay, they are starting from the start. St.top small. Okay, so they are doing basically they are doing smaller. I prefer starting from the not st.empty st.top smaller than t of I. This okay. Okay. This looks a bit better, I guess, because it doesn't use that many if else cases. So from the start, what are they doing? If s d if this not okay, they are making use that all in the size will be zero at the start, and huh? Okay, I don't understand how is this working. I thought I had it. Let's just try it once. Let's see if it's correct because I have found solutions like we have seen on the stream itself that there have been wrong solutions. Are there any more? Or if it's actually better than my solution, that also. I also don't prefer using like single namespaces, like single letter namespaces. Like I prefer like somewhere in between. So I won't write temperature. I'll just write temp, but I won't write T also. Mostly, I'll write a temp. Let's do another one. So in the first one, it was no not very much better. It actually was like taking more space. Uh, yeah, it's a similar time complexity, not very very fast, not very slow. It's very similar. So what are they doing? First, the stack will be empty. Okay, and office of top no. So it will do nothing. Okay. So first, the stack would not be empty. Uh, no, it will be. Okay, so stack is. Let's come to the loop because they are also doing it this way. Uh, Not a very big fan of this. Okay. So first the stack is empty. Then we have 73 that comes and we run this loop, but the stack is empty and we push on like 0 on the stack and we do nothing with the now we have one the stack is not empty and this the top is smaller than T of I. Yep. So now rest of 0 will become 1 and that will be popped. It's quite clever. I really like this solution. A few, it's actually very good. Uh, yeah, they have done a good solution. I still prefer mine because it's actually my solution, and on the top it's not very, sometimes it's not very good. uh, but yeah, uh, they also have a good solution. Plus, it's much more easier to understand what I'm doing. Uh, they are using like a very simply like shortified version of the syntax, which is good, but yeah, it's not easy to understand. I could also write st.push I minus minus here and all that. So a few things that my code takes uh, much time is these two lines make my code heavier. Basically, this if else case a bit heavier, but yeah, different situations. Okay, I guess that's it for today's problem. I guess I'll start. Like I have this going on. I start Leetcode 75. I'm like a year back, so I did like 5 to 10 days of this, and uh, like on my older laptop, and so I don't have the answers right now. And it was very easy. So I guess I'll take 2 to 3 days together on that, and we'll finish that probably. But let's go, and let's go. Thank you, Nidhi, for joining in. It was good seeing you there. Bye bye.